My background is related to innovation in healthcare. I have been funding innovation for the last 18 years as a financial investor. The Alliance Healthcare Foundation is more focused on application of technologies. It's focused particularly on the health and wellness for the underserved populations. We help develop organizations and help support organizations into sustainable entities. The most appealing are the ones where you can have the greatest impact. Perhaps not every endeavor does, and the ones that do will have a catalytic impact in the community. Impact is the ask. Even having that possibility, acknowledging it, asking for it, and then figuring out what it takes. It needs to ask the question, and oftentimes the answer is surprisingly figure-outable, if you will. Being the catalyst that asks the question, that supports financially as well as with expertise, as well as staying open and hungry for new ideas and proven ideas from other spaces towards the goal of impact. A lot of it is the structure, the action, the type of leadership, the things that we can create if we get out of the same old. It's bold on all levels. In the role of Alliance, actively asking for how can we do things better and what else is emerging, both by the push and pull, if you will. On one hand, capital, on the other hand, requests for what else can be done and how, and what exists, as well as what can be brought together. Alliance Healthcare Foundation has this two-pronged approach. And we have to take some risks and to have some courage to create. And I think we're well positioned to do that. We're in an environment of a changing conversation, really society-wide, culture-wide, and also in terms of where innovation is in the social sphere, as well as in the regular innovation world. There's lots of organizations with capital. The leadership's ability and willingness to do something with it walks the talk. Beyond having capital is that it has a diverse, competent, curious, and courageous leadership. You can feel it in the room. You can observe it in conversations. You can see it in the kinds of relationships that Alliance holds with other organizations and what gets created. You can experience it in the types of asks and challenges that the group sets for themselves, as well as the community and other organizations. That is not business as usual. It's innovative, it's creative, it wakes you up being in the middle of this kind of culture.